Okay. You're not sure that you love me, but you're not sure enough to let me go. Baby, it ain't fair, you know, to just keep me hanging around. You say you don't want to hurt me, don't want to see my tears. Why are you still standing here just watching me drown? And it's alright, yeah, I'll be fine. Don't worry about this heart of mine. Just take your love and hit the road. Nothing you can do or say is gonna break my heart anyway. Just leave the pieces when you go. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to arise. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly, into the light of the dark black night.
You and I.
Been 2 years since I let you go. I couldn't listen to a joke or rock and roll. Muscle cars drove a truck right through my heart. On my birthday you sang me a heart of gold with a guitar strumming and no clothes. This time I'm not living without you.
Now it's rolling in the deep.
Okay.
You're singing it.
There's a fire starting in my heart.